Ever felt like chasing down payments was a full-time job? Like, you're constantly sending bank details, explaining amounts, and just hoping the money lands in your account? You're not alone. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just trying to split a bill with friends, the "where's my money" dance is a universal pain. But what if I told you there's a way to cut out the awkwardness, the back and forth, and just get paid? Imagine sending a simple link, and poof, money magically appears. Sounds good, right? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today, creating relay payment links. Now, you might be thinking, another payment method? Isn't there enough already? And yeah, there are tons of ways to get paid. But relay payment links are different. They're designed for simplicity, for speed, and for a seamless user experience. Think of them as the digital equivalent of handing someone a perfectly written invoice with a big, shiny Pay Now button. We're not just talking about any payment link here. We're talking about links that are dynamic, secure, and trackable. Links that let you know when someone's paid, and even remind them if they haven't. Links that integrate with your existing systems, making your life easier, not harder. But before we get into the how-to, let's talk about why. Why are relay payment links becoming so popular? Well, first off, they're incredibly convenient. For the payer, it's just a click. No typing in long account numbers, no double-checking details. For the payee, it's a streamlined process that reduces errors and speeds up cash flow. Secondly, they're versatile. You can use them for just about anything: online sales, invoices, donations, subscriptions, even collecting money for a group gift. You can embed them in emails, social media posts, or even QR codes. The possibilities are endless. And thirdly, they often come with built-in security features, like encryption and fraud protection, giving you peace of mind. Okay, so you're sold. You want to create a relay payment link. But where do you start? Well, the good news is, there are a number of platforms that make this process super easy. First, you'll need to choose a payment gateway or platform that offers this feature. There are many options available, each with its own pros and cons. Some popular choices include platforms like Stripe, PayPal, Paystack, and others. Consider factors like transaction fees, supported currencies, integration options, and ease of use when making your decision. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to create an account and connect your bank account or debit card. This is where you'll receive the payments. Don't worry, most platforms have clear instructions and support to guide you through this process. Now, for the fun part, creating the payment link. The exact steps will vary depending on the platform you're using, but generally, it involves the following. Log into your account, access your payment gateway or platform. Navigate to the Payment Links or Request Payment section, look for a section that allows you to create payment requests. Enter the payment details. This includes the amount you're requesting, a description of the payment, and any relevant information. Customize the link. Optional: some platforms allow you to customize the link with your branding or add a message. Generate the link. Click the button to generate the unique payment link. Share the link. Copy the link and share it with the person you're requesting payment from. Let's break down a potential example. Imagine you're a freelance graphic designer who just finished a project for a client. You've sent them the invoice, and now you need to get paid. Using a platform like Stripe, you would log in, go to the Payment Links section, enter the invoice amount, add a description like graphic design project, client name, and generate the link. You can then send this link to your client via email or messaging app. When your client clicks the link, they'll be taken to a secure payment page where they can enter their payment details. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited into your account. Simple, right? But it doesn't stop there. Many platforms offer advanced features that can further streamline your payment process. For example, you can set up recurring payment links for subscriptions or installment payments. You can also track the status of your payment links, see who has paid, and send reminders to those who haven't. And here's a tip: use short link services. Services like Bitly or similar can shorten those long payment links and make them cleaner and more presentable. They can also provide tracking information on clicks. Security is paramount. When sharing payment links, make sure you're using a reputable platform with robust security measures. Never share payment links on public forums or social media groups, and always verify the recipient's identity before sending the link. Another thing to remember is the importance of clear communication. When sending a payment link, provide context. Explain what the payment is for, the amount, and any relevant details. This will help avoid confusion and ensure a smooth transaction. And finally, consider the user experience. Make sure the payment page is mobile-friendly and easy to navigate. The simpler the process, the more likely your customers are to complete the payment. Relay payment links are more than just a convenient way to get paid. They're a tool that can help you build stronger relationships with your customers, streamline your business operations, and ultimately, get paid faster. By following these simple steps, you can create and share relay payment links with confidence, knowing that you're using a secure and efficient method to receive payments. It's time to ditch the payment headaches and embrace the simplicity of relay payment links. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.